welcome back to Pure on the Road. I'm Sam Marasini coming to you live from Gartner IOCS 22 in Las Vegas, Nevada, and I'm joined by Tony Paikeday. Tony is the Senior Director of AI Systems at NVIDIA. Welcome to the Pure booth.
Thanks for having me. It's great being here.
Thank you. So look, we have been doing quite a lot with the partnership with you guys. It's been going on for quite a while, hasn't it?
Yeah, you know, I think about years ago, more than 4, maybe 5 years ago, when our company started coming together, we saw common problems that our customers were talking to us about. They're talking about how to scale AI in a cost-effective but high-performance kind of way. They said, make this simple for us. They came to your company in mind and said, give us solutions.
Make it simple is key, and that's really what we've been focused on, and we sort of took that to the next level with AIRI S, the AI Ready Infrasture S. So how has that sort of changed the game?
Yeah, you know, AIRI, even it's the genesis of AIRI and where we're at with AIRI S right now delivers 3 key things, right? One is eliminating the complexity of designing infrastructure that is optimized for the unique demands of AI workloads, which we know are different than other enterprise workloads and cannot be supported by traditional legacy infrastructure, right?
Right.
The second thing is striking a solution that can actually be deployed rapidly. Because if you had to DIY this kind of stuff and piece part from multiple different sources, multiple different vendors, and cobble together a solution, you're looking at an inordinate amount of time to get it up and running. And that's, after all, the troubleshooting of a full hardware and software stack, right?
And that's exactly what AIRI is helping those customers do, to pull that together faster, go to market faster.
Right.
Which, by the way, here at the Gartner conference, there's been a lot of talk about AI, and a lot of customers taking those first steps into an AI deployment.
Yeah.
So I think you mentioned some of the things that they should be concerned with, but what are really the focus you should be thinking about as a customer just starting this journey?
Yeah, you know, the good thing about this, what we're talking about right now, is that AI has evolved so much over the last few years. We're no longer talking about science projects and academia, and no offense if you're in academia, that's all cool. But here's the thing, we now have well-proven pragmatic use cases that drive the top line and reduce costs, whether you're talking about supply chain optimization, enhancing customer experiences, delivering better clinical outcomes sooner. So the good thing, especially if you're an IT leader, is you have an opportunity to focus on the right infrastructure that can enable your developers to create viable AI models and prototypes and deliver into production quicker. And so now here at Gartner, you think about what we're talking about. We're talking about the things that IT leaders care about most right now. Things like delivering the performance they need for this AI models. We're talking about infrastructure that is cost effective, especially when you talk about sustainability and power consumption. Huge. And we're also thinking about low or no code types of platforms that simplify a developer's life and allow them to get that first viable prototype out sooner. And our 2 companies with AIRI S strike all those things: high performance, cost effective, energy efficient, dramatically less footprint than traditional. Simple,
which has always been our uncomplicated, as the marquee says behind it, uncomplicated data storage anywhere. And in the case of AI infrastructure, I think pulling those things together has delivered to customers exactly what we're talking about.
Absolutely.
So this isn't a science project anymore.
No longer. We have customers across healthcare, public sector, manufacturing, so many different verticals that are using AIRI S and AIRI before it to make AI a reality, no matter what size of enterprise they're in.
I absolutely love it. And there's a lot more information that you can find, purestorage.com/AIRI. There is also a link in the notes below. Tony, I want to thank you for your time.
Thank you.
I appreciate it, and we'll see you guys next. Hit that subscribe button for more. So much coming from Gartner IOCS. This is kind of fun. We'll see you a little later.
Good stuff. Thank you.